the weird thing about Amazon. Two sellers can be selling the same exact product, same supplier, same price, same quality, but one is selling 10 times more than the other. When you talk to people, they might tell you, well, it's just luck. But it's not. Conversion is engineered. And today, we're gonna be dissecting a listing or a product page like an investigator so that I can show you exactly how you can increase sales from your current product page. Let's get to it. Here is the listing anatomy. Number one, we start off with the title for visibility and clarity. The main image for clicks. The substack images, meaning the rest of the images, for sales and conversion. The bullet points are for objection handling and providing benefits. The description or the A+ content is for trust. The back-end keywords is for indexing support. And last, but definitely, maybe this should be on the top in terms of importance, reviews are for social proof. So if you are a beginner, it's natural to start focusing on the title and maybe the bullet points, but that's not where your sales are gonna come from. Most definitely, specifically if you sell in the Middle East, your sales are gonna be coming from the images and the secondary from the reviews. Now, before we get stuck into it, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal from the Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon service provider supporting sellers since 2019 on Amazon in the Middle East. If Amazon and e-commerce are things that are interesting to you, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, support us by giving a thumbs up on this video, and leave us a comment or a question in the comments section below. If you do all of those things, then you will be eligible to win a consultation call with me where I answer directly all your Amazon-related questions. Now, let's get going with step number one, the main image, the gatekeeper. The main image is not just a photo. Do not treat it as just like a picture. It is the main decision trigger. Let's go through the rules and regulations. Number one, the main image needs to be on a completely white background. Number two, it should contain only the product, no misleading additions. Number three, product needs to be sharp, clean, and fill out the entirety of the image. And number four, if you have variations, make sure that you are able to show them in the main image. Remember, the main image is seen when customers log into Amazon and search for a product, so it's seen next to other different sellers, so it needs to get people interested fast, and you want people to ultimately click on your product or you're just gonna end up losing the sale. You want to get started selling on Amazon in the UAE, but you don't know what to sell. Good news, I'm hosting a free and exclusive masterclass where I walk you through the details of how to do product research, how to validate products to sell successfully on Amazon.ae. This is an exclusive masterclass. You are able to apply right now and see if you get the link to attend. Since 2019, the Amazon Sellers Society has supported thousands of sellers on Amazon.ae. I'll be sharing with you in the masterclass our free as well as paid services, and I'll be sharing with you some exclusive tips and tricks. You don't want to miss it. All the details in the description box below. Step number two, or part number two, the 6-image stack that sells. So after the main image, after the customer clicks on your product page, now they have the opportunity to check all of your other images. And in total, you should have 7 images on your listing. So 1 would be the main image, and then the other 6 would be your image stack. Let's get going with giving you this exact blueprint. Get ready. Number one, the first image would be a benefit image, which basically needs to explain to the customer one big outcome and reason as to why they should buy your product. Number two, the what's included image to remove confusion. Number three, the size and dimensions image to prevent returns. Number four, how to use in a 3-step visual. Number 5, lifestyle image of the product being used in real context. And number 6, a comparison image where you showcase that your product is the better choice. Customers don't trust text, they barely read text. They trust clarity. Make sure that your images are clean, clear, crisp, with the most important USPs added in them. Number 3, keyword data. So how are you going to be able to create the perfect title, bullet points, and product description? Well, you can't just create them out of nothing. You need to highlight what are the keywords and the way that customers are searching for your product on Amazon. Please do not guess keywords. Make sure that you borrow the market's language and how your customers are actually looking for your product. 3 simple steps. Number 1, find your top competitors for the product that you intend to sell. Number 3, pull the exact keywords that have the highest search volume and the keywords that they are ranking for. You just need 3 to 5 high quality keywords. And number 3, you need to utilize these keywords naturally in the title, bullet points, and product description. Now, if you want to figure out and understand how to find these keywords, you can check our previous video all about how to utilize a tool called Helium 10. Part number 4, ChatGPT prompts. Yes, you think I'm gonna make you do all of this work manually with things like ChatGPT, Gemini, and everything else? No, you can take all of this information and add it into ChatGPT so that you can get the correct outcomes in terms of title, bullet points, and product description. Of course, these are just drafts that you need to manipulate and make sure that they look and sound and feel exactly like you want them. But utilizing AI will make it so much easier. All of the AI prompts we've put together in a downloadable PDF file. All you need to do is to click the link in the description box of this video. So the punchline is the seller that is getting 10 times more sales is not lucky. He just works on his listings. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave me your comments in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.